today is on the coordinate system. Okay, and what the coordinate system is it is where points coordinate on a graph, okay? And you might have done this sometimes in activity books and things like that, but I'm gonna explain to you a little bit about the math significance of it. Okay, so we have what we call an ordered pair. When we have two numbers together, it's called an ordered pair. Okay, pair as in two. Okay, not like the pear that you eat. A pair as in two numbers. Okay, the first number is always going to be the x-axis, and the second number is always going to be the y-axis. Okay, well, what do I mean by that? What is an x and a y-axis? Okay, well, you're familiar with the invisible number line, right? The invisible horizontal number line, let's make numbers on it from 0, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you know that the horizontal number line can go on forever and ever in both directions, right? All right, well, the second ordered pair is always on the y-axis, and the y-axis is an invisible number line that actually goes up and down vertically instead of horizontally. And that one goes forever and ever in both directions also, okay? So let's put our numbers in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that can go on forever and ever as well. So what this means is that you have to count to number 10 on the horizontal x-axis. It can never be the other way or it will be wrong. The coordinate point will be wrong. So let's go all the way over to 10 on the horizontal thing, and that'll be right here. And then we need to go up vertically on this number line to the number 3, okay? So we'll go across 10 and up 1, 2, 3. So our coordinate point for 10, 3 is going to be right here, this dot right here, because that's where the 3 meets the 10. Okay? Now, if you try to go across 3 first and up 10, that's going to put your dot way up here, which is a totally different point. So the first number is always across, and the second number is always up. And we call that the x-axis, and the vertical one, the y-axis. Okay? So I want you to take a look at your sheet, and I want you to try to do these 6 problems and find the points, okay? So for number 1, this dot, if you want to name the point on number 1, you have to tell what number it's on across first, right? Well, the dot in number 1 is over 3, right? It's across 3 and up 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. So that meets right here, 1, 2, 3. Across 3 and up 3. So your dot should be called, or this coordinate point should be called 3, 3. And you have to put it in parentheses on the line. So this is the answer to number 1, okay? I want you to try to do the other 2 on your own, and then we'll check it on Monday. Okay, or actually I'll send the answers to your parents so they can check this right away, because you need to make sure that you're doing it right. All right, for number 2 here, on the first one, they give us the coordinate point 3, 2. All right, so our coordinate point here is 3, 2. So that means we need to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2, 1, 2. So you'll draw your coordinate point 3, 2 right there. Okay, so try to do the other 2, and I will send the answers to your parents, and that's it for Friday. I'll see you on Monday.